Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on Boolean algebra. Lecture number 4. Topics is sub-Boolean algebra. Now we shall define sub-Boolean algebra or sub-algebra. Let B with binary operation plus dot and unary operations complement and identities 0 and 1 be a Boolean algebra. A non-empty subset S of B is said to be sub-Boolean algebra or sub-algebra. If S is itself a Boolean algebra with respect to operations plus dot and complement of B. Now we prove a theorem. Theorem is that a non-empty subset S of a Boolean algebra B is a sub-algebra of B if and only if S is closed under operations plus dot and complement of B. Now we shall prove this. Let S be a sub-algebra of a Boolean algebra B. Therefore, S is itself a Boolean algebra under 3 operations plus dot and complement defined on B. Hence, S is closed under 3 operations. As S is a Boolean algebra itself, then it is closed under the operations plus dot and complements. That is, if A, B belongs to S, implies that A plus B belong to S, A dot B belongs to S, and complement of A belongs to S. Now we prove conversely. Let S is closed under 3 operations plus dot and complement of B. Therefore, for AB belongs to S, we have A plus B belongs to S, A dot B belongs to S, and complement of A belongs to S. Closed. This is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3. Now, since A belongs to S implies that complement of A belongs to S using 3. Again, A belongs to S and complement of A belongs to S, then A plus complement of A belongs to S from 1. Closed with respect to plus. Since A plus complement of A equal to 1, that means 1 belongs to S. Again, A belongs to S, A dash belongs to S, implies that A dot complement of A belongs to S using 2. A dot complement of A is 0, that is 0 belongs to S. This is number 4, this is number 5. From 4 and 5 we see that both identities 0 and 1 are in S. Now we shall show that 4 laws, commutative laws, identity laws, distributive laws and complement laws hold in S under operations plus, dot and complement. Number 1, commutative laws. Let AB belong to S implies that AB belong to B, since S is a subset of B. And if AB belongs to capital B, therefore capital B holds the commutative laws. Hence A plus B equal to B plus A and A dot B equal to B dot A. Number 2, identity laws. Since we have found that identities 0 and 1 belong to S, then for all A belongs to S, we get A plus 0 equal to A and A dot 1 equal to A. Number 3, distributive law. Since operations plus and dot are distributive over each other for all elements of B, therefore they must distributive over each other for all elements of S, as S is the subset of B. All elements of S are elements of B. Number 4, complement laws. Let A belongs to S and we have found that complement of A belongs to S, and also A plus complement of A equal to 1 and A dot complement of A equal to 0. Hence S fulfills all the criteria of Boolean algebra. Therefore S is itself a Boolean algebra, that is S is a sub-algebra of B. Now we give an example. Example is, let B be any Boolean algebra and small a belongs to capital B such that small a not equal to 0 and small a not equal to 1. Then the subset S containing elements A complement of A, 0 and 1 is a sub-algebra of B. Now we solve this. Since by idempotent law we know that A plus A equal to A and A dot A equal to A. Also we know that A plus 1 equal to 1, A dot 0 equal to 0 for all small a belongs to capital B. Now we construct 3 tables for 3 operations, 2 binary operations plus and dot and 1 unary operation complement. Now table 1, this is the table for binary operation plus. Firstly we write the elements of S in first row and this row and in this column. Then since A plus A equal to A plus complement of A equal to 1, and in this way we get elements in this table. Similarly in table 2 we may get A dot A equal to A dot complement of A equal to 0, A dot 0 equal to 0, A dot 1 equal to A, and similarly we may find the other elements of this table. Table 3 for complement. Complement of A is A prime. Complement of A prime is A. Complement of 0 equal to 1. Complement of 1 equal to 0. Here we see that all entries in three tables are elements of S. Here any element we see all belong to S. Therefore, S is closed under operation plus, dot and complement. Therefore, S is a sub-algebra of B. Proved. Now we shall prove a theorem. Theorem is a non-empty subset S of a Boolean algebra B with binary operations plus and dot, unary operation, complement and identities 0 and 1 is a sub-algebra of B if and only if S is closed with respect to operations plus and complement. Since we know that a Boolean algebra is closed with operations plus, dot and complement. But here, if S be a subset of B and S is closed with respect to only two operations plus and complement, then we will show that S will be a Boolean algebra. Only two binary operations. Now let us prove. Let S is a sub-algebra of B with binary operation plus, dot and unary operation, complement and identities 0 and 1. S is a sub-algebra, that is S is itself a Boolean algebra with binary operations plus and dot and unary operation, complement. That is S is closed with operations plus, dot and complement. Particularly S is closed with operations plus and complement. So proved. Now we prove converse. Conversely, let S is a subset of B, Boolean algebra B, and S is closed with operations plus and complement. Only two operations here we have considered. If we may show that S is closed with respect to other operation dot, then S will be closed with three binary operations and S will be a sub-algebra. Now we shall try to show that S is also closed with operation dot. Let small a, small b belongs to S. Here given that S is closed with operation plus and complement. Therefore, A, B belongs to S implies that complement of A and complement of B belong to S. Also, we have considered S is closed with respect to binary operation plus. This means complement of A plus complement of B belongs to S implies that complement of this element also belongs to S, because here we have considered S is closed with respect to plus and complement. Now, using De Morgan's law, De Morgan's law, complement of A dot complement of B belongs to S. This means A and this means B by involution law. Therefore, A dot B belongs to S, hence S is closed with respect to dot. Therefore, we are successful to show that S is closed with respect to the remaining operation dot. That is, S is closed with respect to three operations. Therefore, S is a sub-algebra. Proved. Now we prove the next theorem. If S1 and S2 are two sub-algebras of a Boolean algebra, then S1 intersect S2 is also a sub-algebra of B. Here, Boolean algebra B. Now let us prove this. Let S1 and S2 be two sub-algebra of a Boolean algebra B. We shall show that S1 intersect S2 is a sub-algebra. That is to show S1 intersect S2 is closed with respect to operations plus, dot and complement. Since given that S1 and S2 are sub-algebra, therefore identity elements 0 and 1 belong to S1 and also 0 and 1 belong to S2, implies that 0 and 1 belong to S1 intersect S2. That is, S1 intersect S2 contains at least two elements 0 and 1. Therefore, S1 intersect S2 is non-empty. Let small a small b belong to S1 intersect S2, implies that small a small b belong to S1 and small a small b belong to S2, implies that A plus B, A dot B, complement of A belong to S1, since S1 is a sub-algebra. That is, S1 is itself a Boolean algebra. So, it is closed with respect to two binary operations plus and dot and one unary operation complement. Similarly, A plus B, comma, A dot B, comma, complement of A belong to S2, implies that A plus B, A dot B, complement of A belong to S1 intersect S2. Therefore, S1 intersect S2 is closed with respect to binary operations plus and dot and one unary operation complement. Therefore, S1 intersect S2 is a sub-algebra. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.